were concerned that SASSA grant recipients generally withdraw all their money as soon as they receive it. And because of that, we then tried to understand why. And we found that it's because the ecosystems in which they operate are not digital, which means they will go to town once. And when they're in town, it makes sense that I've paid 10 Rand to get to town. I'm going to withdraw all my money because I'm not able to transact. And that's the reason why we created these pilots.
We thought we need to better understand what's happening on the ground with people like Nombuso to kind of see how can we increase digital payments. So the coordinator, who is a coordinator, is plays an important role. We're now developing different kind of interventions. So there's a literacy program, both on financial and digital side, awareness program. We want to have support here in the community to kind of help people migrate to digital payments.
So Tiny Tots Educational Center is an ECD center that is based in Thembisa, and we cater for kids that are from 1 year until 6 years old. And we love our kids. We've got passion for our kids. We get teachers that have passion for caring and being kind to kids. We were very excited for the opportunity brought to us by Finmark to then digitalize the system of payments, create convenience for our parents in terms of making payments either on a monthly basis. And it's been a great system, which is really good because it helps us with tracking our payments in terms of paying our service providers, our teachers, and even other suppliers.
So Paul, now that he's digitized, if he wants to expand, he can approach a financial institutions for a loan. He now has some track record of how much he's receiving, how much he's paying. Is he going to be credit worthy?
I was most impressed by the digitalization efforts that the bank is supporting, helping SMEs in the township to adopt digital technology to be more efficient, to track their sales, their spending, and to use that data to get access to finance, expanding their business, etc.
Yeah. Because last week it was my first event. I sold and I made 800 with this. Cash, it was 400. So it shows that digitally it's the way.
So we're working together with the Reserve Bank on this, with the National Treasury, with the Conduct Authority, to make sure that what we learn here on the ground, and this is a pilot, that we can bring that to the policymakers, and also make that part of the legal regulatory policy environment as well as their modernization efforts.
Because it's 20 Rand, so when I say 20 Rand here, it's going to charge me. So I need to adjust my
price.
Compromises
over this.
Yes.
And the part of the program is us understanding what drives these costs and then having conversations with the regulators to say, how do we reduce these costs? Because they're not sustainable in markets like this.
How do you scale this up? How do you go from retail to wholesale?
So the key partners that we're working with are financial institutions. So all of these guys that produce those POS devices that they showed you are part of the project. So we're engaging them. They're the ones who will need to scale this, right? Because it's their businesses. So the closer we work with them, the better we get them to align their products to what people need, as well as the big question around digital and financial education is something that we need to develop a strategy for them to take it on and pay for it, because their businesses benefit from it.
This is very exciting because this is one of the ways in which we can support jobs indirectly and economic transformation in the townships.